So let's start adding some Ragdoll. So we're gonna go here to the third person character, and we're gonna basically create a function. Okay, so let's go here, and basically let's just add it here. Okay, so let's just grab the mesh and let's put set simulate physics. If you go here to the mesh and you see the right, you will see that you have a bunch of properties here, and one of them is the collision. And in the collision you have the character mesh, but you also have the ragdoll. So let's click on this one. Okay, so when we hit the touch trap, let's simulate with physics. So let's go here. Let's just, and now what happens is that actually I can still move. I cannot move my character, but basically I can still move with my WASD keys. I can actually fall down. So we don't want that. We want to disable the input. So we're gonna go here to the third person blueprint, and let's just go here to disable input. And that's it. So let's see what happens now when we go here, play the game, see if we can pass a life. No, we didn't, and we're dead. And now we don't really we can't really move, which is a good thing. Okay, so I want to organize these things a little bit. So what I will do is to select all of this, right click, and then collapse into function. And this function will be called basically kill player, something like that. Kill the player. Kill the player. There you go. So kill the player will do a bunch of things, and if I double click on this, you will see here that I have a bunch of functions here. If you see here, I have some functions here. One of them is kill the player, and whenever kill the player gets called, it will simulate physics and disable the input. Now that we have this, let's add more functionality.